These hebes aren't too bad, but you don't want really fresh growth that's going to...
Does it just not root well?
Yeah, it's too soft and it just collapses a lot of the time. But you see, off these you get quite a few cuttings. Take that off there and prepare it. And the name is Hebe dismifolia. So preparing the cuttings, you don't want them too long, generally about 10 to 12 centimetres. The lower leaves just rub off with your fingers. The important thing is not to tear the stem. So just doing a sharp, clean cut at the bottom of a node. We just use ready-made propagation mix, which we find really quite good. So just firm it down a bit. Rooting hormones are used to promote roots. You can use a liquid, a powder, or a gel, whichever you have or prefer. So you just dip the bottom part of the stem, bare stem, into this mixture for about 5 seconds, and just then take it out and let them just sit there for a couple of minutes. Just make a little hole, put them in, and then just firm them up with your fingers. The idea is not to push the cutting in, because then you can damage the bottom that you actually cut. So once you've put your label in, give them a water in, put your canes in, then you can put your bag over. And that acts like a mini glass house. Put it somewhere where it gets a bit of dappled light, but not in direct sunlight. You know, just keep an eye on the bottom of the pot after about 4 weeks and you might see a few roots. And that's when you separate them out and put them into little individual pots with a good potting mix with fertiliser in it.